Hi guys, Amber Cats from Rouge 18 here, and I am so excited to unbox for you this new ageLOC LumiSpa from the brand Nu Skin. And what I love about it is that it's a dual action skincare device that both cleanses and it has a silicone treatment head, which really stops the skin from being damaged or irritated while you're cleansing it. So let's see what we have in this box. Okay, so it's two things. The first is an ageLOC LumiSpa treatment cleanser. You can see that for normal to combination skin, which is my skin, I would say. Maybe not in this disgusting weather. It's kind of drier, but on a normal basis, yes. When it's not 4 degrees, this is definitely the kind of cleanser that is good for my skin. And then we have, this is so beautiful. So we have some beautiful green tissue paper in the box, and then we also have this delightfully packaged present in beautiful pink sparkly paper with a blue ribbon. Very, very chic and very on brand. Let's see what we have in here. This is the actual cleansing device. Ooh, okay, so we have this beautiful box and we have the product in it. Let's see how we open this. I think I need to get some scissors. Hold on. So, here we go. And just cut the plastic. It's real time, guys. Gotta bear with me. Here we go. Okay, so the ageLOC LumiSpa from Nu Skin. How do I open this? Let's see. Oh, okay. There's like a little. How do I open this? Cut this so I can show it to you. I'm going to cut the plastic open and show you the device that I can't wait to start using. Here it is. Okay, cool. So you charge it. It's a power operated device, and then this is the cleansing part of it. This is the silicone I was telling you about. So that it has an oscillating motion, which really helps you get into your pores and purify them while delivering skincare benefits. So it's a dual action device. I can't wait to try it. So stay tuned for my review. That will be happening after I test this out for about a week or so, and I will let you know what I think. Thank you.